Stop taking notes the hard way. I found an AI tool that turns 50-page PDFs into perfect notes in seconds. And here's the crazy part. It's 100% free. No more highlighting, no more summarizing, no more wasting hours on boring busy work. Just upload any document or paste any text and boom, stunning, organized notes instantly. Let's dive in and see how this works.
This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
So first, let's search for Gemini. Once we open Gemini, you can see the main interface. From here, we'll upload a file. I have an 11th class chemistry chapter 1 PDF. We'll simply upload this file. Now, along with the file, we'll use a detailed prompt. This prompt tells Gemini to convert the uploaded PDF into ultra-realistic handwritten study notes, just like a topper's notebook. For explanations and step-by-step points, we've specified the use of a blue gel pen. For headings, chapter names, laws, theorems, and definitions, the rest of the prompt fine-tunes the style, formatting, and overall handwritten look. If you want to use this prompt, I'll put it in the comments section. Once the prompt is ready, we go to the Tools section and select the Canvas option. After that, we simply click on Submit. Now, Gemini will start analyzing both our prompt and the uploaded PDF. Once the analysis is complete, it begins generating the code. On the right-hand side, you can see the code being written, and on the left-hand side, you can see the actual handwritten style notes being generated in real time. This process may take some time because the prompt is very detailed, but I can assure you the result is worth the wait. Before proceeding further, let me quickly show you an amazing tool that can save you a lot of time, especially if you're a student, teacher, or content creator. First, open the Lazy Typer website. I'll put the link in the description. On the main page, you can simply start talking and generate speech instantly. Lazy Typer uses 12 AI voice typing models, including 5 fully local options with up to 90% accuracy. It's a lightweight yet professional voice-to-text app that supports both local and cloud engines, so you can even use it offline without an internet connection. To get started, download and install the Windows version. Once installed, you'll see the main Lazy Typer dashboard, where all your previous voice-to-text results are saved. Next, open the Dictation Models section. Here, you'll find online models like QWen-ASR, Mistral AI, 11 Labs, Assembly AI, and Grok Whisper. For offline use or better privacy, you can choose local models such as Sense Voice Small and Whisper Large V3 Turbo. I've already downloaded a few offline models, and you can test any model using the Test Model option. Before generating text, enable text optimization to automatically remove filler words and improve clarity. Now go to the Notes section, start speaking.
Ever wondered how AI actually works? AI learns by studying data, just like human learns from experience. First, it is trained on huge amounts of information, like text, images, or videos. Then it looks for patterns, relationships, and meanings inside that data.
And click Finish. Your voice is instantly converted into text, which you can edit, copy, and use for voiceovers, scripts, or other projects. If you want to try Lazy Typer yourself, check out the link in the description. Once the generation is complete, you can see that Gemini has successfully converted our PDF into handwritten style notes. The titles and main headings are written using a red color pen, while explanations and step-by-step points use a blue gel pen. Important lines are highlighted with a yellow highlighter, exactly as specified in the prompt. You'll also notice that diagrams are included, and from any angle, these notes do not look computer-generated. They genuinely look like real handwritten notes. Now, suppose you want to save these notes to your computer. Since there's no direct download option, here's what you can do. Go to the Code section and open the generated code. Copy the entire code. Next, open Notepad, paste the code there, and save the file as a .html file. Once saved, open the file, and as you can see, the notes look exactly the same as they did inside Gemini. So what do you think about this tool? It's extremely useful for students and teachers who want to convert boring PDF notes into engaging handwritten style study material. This technique is truly amazing. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos like this in the future.